Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, here to tell you I've got something cool cooking up today. We're going to make I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to call it, a spicy Italian sandwich. Spicy Italian sausage sandwich. That sounds pretty good. We'll go with that. Spicy Italian sausage sandwich. We're going to cook up some sausage. I'm going to cook it up on the old Weber back here, and then mix them in some onions and some peppers and stuff. It's kind of like one of the last videos I did with the what was it, the Philly cheesesteak, but except we're going to do it with Italian sausage, and we're actually going to use some mild sausage, mix it in together, and then we're going to add in, like I said, the onions and the green peppers. Then we're going to melt some cheese on it. We're going to put them on some Hawaiian slider buns, because I like to use the Hawaiian slider buns. Those are great, especially when I got kids. They're small. It's perfect for us. So let's get after it. I got to get the meat out. We're going to get the Weber fired up, and then eventually we're going to put it on the pellet grill to smoke it at the end. So we got to get that fired up too. So let's get after it.
Welcome to Newbie Q.
Alright, we got our grill fired up here. Put a little oil in. Just a little bit of oil there. Set that off to the side. Okay. Oil kind of move around a little. Then we're going to go ahead and just throw our onions and our peppers in. And we're going to go ahead and season them up, a little white lightning. A little salt, pepper, garlic. We're going to set that on there. Then we'll come back in a minute. We'll check on it, move them around a little bit, and then we'll add our sausage. All right. Oh man, that looks good. Smell delicious too. It's gonna be hard to do with this spatula. All right. All right, we got sweet ground Italian sausage. Ooh. Sweet Italian. And mild Italian. Oh, get all of it. Get all of it. All right. Alright, so, ooh, doesn't that look good? Oh yeah, okay, that looks done. So, we're just going to go ahead and pull them off. Woo! That looks tasty. Alright, I forgot to hit the record button, but that's probably because I'm too busy shooing flies away, man. They are aggressive today. It did warm up again today, so that's probably why. But anyway, got the meat on our Hawaiian roll here. And we're going to put a little green pepper and onion mixture. Not a lot of it, but we'll put a little bit on. Get away from me, fry. Alright. Now, provolone and mozzarella cheese. We're going to put a bunch of provolone, a bunch of mozzarella cheese on here. It's not enough. I want it to be nice and gooey. Alright, now this is going to go back on the, well, actually we're not going to put it on the smoker. We're going to put it back on the Weber on indirect heat. I decided not to waste any of my, I already have this all warmed up. We're just going to place it on indirect heat off to the side. And we're actually gonna spin this. We'll put the so we're gonna put this where the air comes out. We want the air to flow from the heat side all the way out here, and that way it kind of rolls across all of our cheese and our meat and everything that's in there, and hopefully it'll just kind of smoke it up real nice. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and melty. Oop. Woo. Take it off like that. Woo-wee. Oh, check that out. Nice. All right, so now we're gonna put a little spicy brown mustard on it. We're just gonna put it on this top side here. Some people put it on the bottom, some people put it on the top. I did the top. So. Probably gonna need a little bit more than that. Get nice. All right, so we got our top mustard. Boom. Woo! Look at that. Now that we have our top mustard, we're gonna go ahead and cut it up. All right, well, the flies are horrible out here, and I'm sure you can hear the wind from my fan, but it just is what it is. But check that out. See if you can get a good, see if it'll zoom in on this. Oh, baby. Look at that. Got that nice melty cheese, some onions and peppers, all that Italian sausage in there. That mustard. Let's try it. It's got to be good. I'm just playing. That's fucking fantastic. Good. Oh, good. That's real good, actually. Alright guys, that is it. Look at this beautiful plate I made. You can't really see good now because the lighting's horrible when I push it back inside. But, you know what? It's a pretty good looking plate. I think so, at least. Alright guys, anyway, we will see you next time, next weekend probably, another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget to hit the links down below, hit that little more button under the title or whatever, and it brings up a little section there. There'll be some links, there'll be my new website link is on there. You can see all my pictures, all my videos. You can get links to the YouTube channel, links to Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. You can find everything from the website. There's also recipes. I'm putting all these recipes on the website. I'm trying to go back and find a few too, and I'm going to put all those on the website so everybody can just go to the website. You can find everything on there all in one place. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Peace, love you, bye.